Hello everyone, my name is Rhealyn Perez. Today I will show you how to do milk preparation. Before we start, we need to sanitize our hands. We need these following materials in preparing milk. 3 boiled water, 1 bottle feeding, milk, 1 basin cool water. Firstly, we need to read the instruction in the box. Now it's ready to prepare a milk. Follow the right instruction of the milk and water. Well, put it in the water to cool down. Put it in your rest 2 to 3 drops to check the temperature if ready to feed the baby. Make sure it's lukewarm and not too hot. And now it's time to feed the baby. Make sure the baby is in the upright position. The head is higher than the leg to avoid overfeeding and choking. Put the nipples on the baby lips and glide it in. Tilt the bottle so that it's in the level. Nipples is in about half full in mouth of the baby. Baby joke, lower the bottle or change the nipple. Some of the baby take a break during the feeding. And now it's time to burp your baby. There are 2 ways of burping a baby. Each are shoulder and overlapping technique. First, the shoulder technique. Put the right hand on the back and the neck of the baby to support and slowly put on your shoulder. Tap his back until it burns. And now the second is overlapping. Put your left hand on the jaw and of the baby and tap the back using the right hand. Wait the baby until it burps.